Ahoy, Pixel Pirates! Ever dreamed of becoming a god in a world of plastic bricks? What if I told you that you could transform yourself or anyone else into a miniature plastic deity with just a few clicks? Today, we're not just sailing the digital seas, we're ascending to Mount Olympus, armed with a secret and easy-to-use tool that lets you create your very own bricktastic avatars. Prepare to wield the power of creation as we embark on a journey to build a universe where you're the master of all things blocky and beautiful. And if you stick around, I'll reveal a hidden treasure map that'll let you double your plastic empire without spending any extra gold. So are you ready to snap together your destiny and become the architect of your own brick-built creations? Let's get clicking. Getting started. First things first, click the link below and head on over to the website. Once you're there, signing up is a breeze. Just log in with your Google account or email and boom, you're in. Now check out the package offer. But hold on, before you hit buy, take a moment to explore the samples. If you're still here, I bet you're already imagining what your own creations will look like. If you're ready to create, click that Buy Pack button and fill in your payment details. Whether it's with a card, Google Pay, Alipay, WeChat Pay, or PayPal, you're covered. And once you've done that, get ready for a big woohoo. You'll be taken to the next stage, where the real fun begins. This is where you decide how many sets of characters you want to create. 1, 2, or 3. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. For each set of characters, you'll need to upload a photo. Upload a front-facing, clear, in-focus image. No blurry selfies allowed. There's a help tip for image guidance here. Then pick from the options: male or female, hair color, hair length, skin tone, glasses or beard. Power is in your hands. If you've got more than one character in mind, just repeat the process. After you've uploaded everything, you'll get a success notice. Finding this video useful? Don't keep it to yourself. Share the wealth. Hit that like button faster than a pirate grabs gold. And if you haven't joined our crew yet, now's the time to hoist the subscribe flag. Once everything's set, sit tight. You'll get an email confirming your order and another when your creations are ready. You can check the progress in your Brick Photos dashboard. Be warned, you will have to wait. For me, it was around 12 hours, but the results were worth the wait. While they promise around 50 images, I actually got 61, so they definitely over-delivered. When your creations are ready, head to your dashboard and click on Awesome Brick Photos to see your creations in all their brick glory. Now, here's the trick to get even more without spending a doubloon. Share one of your images on social media with a link back to Brick Photos. Just click the Get Free Purchase button, upload one of your creations to social media, including a link back to the Brick Photos site, and once it's live, save the post link, paste it back in the site's form here, and submit. They'll verify it and email you a new code, which can be entered on the pay page here. Easy peasy. So there you have it. Pixel Pirates, you've just unlocked the power to transform mere mortals into legendary brick figures. Whether you're creating an army of mini-me's, immortalizing your friends in plastic, or surprising the young gods in training in your life, you now hold the blueprints to a universe of possibilities. And with a little social sharing, you can double your fun for free. I made some for my friend's 7-year-old, and he absolutely loves them. So go create some great avatars and tell me what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. And if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and join the community of Pixel Pirates. Until next time, keep creating, keep building, and as always, take care out there, and thank you for watching.